want to learn piano and are you looking for some beautiful arpeggios? Today join me for 5 levels from super easy to harder arpeggios on a really simple riff. Let's get started. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. I work with lots of children and teens during the week, but this channel is to help you as an adult be inspired to create and grow your piano. Well, today, while I try and keep removing the dog hair, we're going to get into these 5 levels from super easy. So let's get into it. Well, let's check out this first arpeggio pattern. We only need the left hand. It's super easy and we'll start down with block fifths. So let's play F and C, step up to G and D, and then step up again to A and E. And let's play that through. Here we go. Our level 2 to create beautiful arpeggios is just to break this blocked chord and to add a sixth in the right hand. So our sixths, made from being 6 notes away from each other, play A and F. We'll step up then to B and G, and then C and A. Let's play that now. Here we go. For level 3, we'll play now a full left-hand arpeggio, playing our F, stepping up A, C, and F, and adding the 2 right-hand sixth notes also. Now the rhythm for this one. So as we push off with this left hand arpeggio, make sure that you swing your left hand over from your pinky. Watch that you don't hold that on. And then we'll finish with some 6 chords in the right hand that will connect us back down. Here we go. Level 4 in the left hand creates a wave of sound featuring tenths. We'll step through the note names as well, but to start growing some of the relationships that happen with music, if we call our F number 1, the pattern's going to go 1 up to 5, up to the 8th note, over 9, 10, and that's why it's called featuring the tenths there. Put your second finger over to link these through because that will make it really easy to get your thumb around. And once your left hand plays and you reach your thumb, as your thumb plays in your left hand, your right hand will also play its thumb to lead us up the full F arpeggio this time. So we have our F 10th pattern in the left hand, our thumbs join together, the right hand continues. Start then on the G pattern and then A minor. As this arpeggio pattern is a little bit busier, let's come down again with the right hand sixth when we repeat the A in the left hand. If you want any further help with this and your elbow's sticking out and it's all feeling a bit clumsy, check out a technique video that I'll link below to help you out there. Here we go. Level 5 of our arpeggios is a little step harder again. So this features the tenths going up and down the full pattern for each chord. Let's look at that by itself first. Once again, our second finger creeps over and leads the way. Then let's add the right hand back to our first pattern of 6 with our A and our F. Each time we play any F note in our left hand, let's add a right hand note. I'll show you. We'll then do this as well, up from the G pattern. Make sure that you play the right hand when there's any G notes sounding. And then also with the A minor pattern, play also your right hand notes matching your A notes as we go. Here we go. Well, let's put that all together and do a bit of a run. Have a go at creating your own combination as well and have fun with it. Please subscribe if you enjoy this content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.